Well, hello there. The best thing about Code Ninjas that we're teaching kids how to code through building video games. Kids have natural affinity for play and learning through play, so why not let them build video games and learn coding? We are providing a place where kids can interact with peers with similar interests. Kids learn how to think programmatically. They will walk into our dojo, which is our game development room, see friendly faces. They are going to sit down and log.
Drive to a place and then now you just know how to code.
Technology only improving and expanding. So STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math fields are the fields of the future. You will always be able to...
My wife and I found Code Ninjas. We instantly thought that is a perfect stepping stone to be able to give him these tools that he'll be able to use in his life.
I think it's important for kids to learn how to code, because beyond coding, they will learn how to approach problems and solve them, and that will help them in anything they want to do. Our game-based curriculum is phenomenal. It's 9-belt advancement path. Similar to martial arts, they start from the basics. White belt. Then they're going to advance through building games. Each of those games teaches them one concept.
He looks forward to coming in, going through the steps and knowing that he's going to achieve the next level.
They're going to learn a series of different languages, JavaScript, Lua, and C#. And they're going to advance to Black Belt, where they will be able to produce their own game or an app. While our program is self-paced, it's not self-taught.
One of the things that parents love most about Code Ninjas is the flexibility that it offers families.
My favorite part is I get an hour or two to myself.
So families can come in any 2 days that fit their schedule and fit into a family's schedule at their leisure. We have
lots of other programs. We have Parents' Night Out. We offer summer and winter camps. We even do day camps and birthday parties. There's always something fun happening in Code Ninjas.
I think a parent should send their child to Code Ninjas because they want their child to explore different opportunities. We want our children to find what they're passionate about, and when children come to Code Ninjas, they really enjoy being here.
Cece enjoys coming here for the camaraderie. She likes interacting with the senseis. After dinner, I was like, Mommy, can we go? Can we go, Mommy? Is it time? I'm like, I have my wristbands.
And it warms our heart to see the excitement on their faces.
You can also make stuff like a propeller, you could make a car, you could make all kinds of stuff.
I love coming here. One of my favorite things to do.
And to know that we're positively impacting children and their futures, that's all we can hope for, is to be able to prepare children for tomorrow, for their future. Code Ninjas.